Let's take a look at the reapply feature in Heat. Menu, Settings, Heat Detection. If we scroll down, you'll see here Reapply. Let's enable Reapply. Once that's switched on, you'll get a whole lot more features. Let's draft a reapply animal to the right. And currently it's set to go any day of the week. Let's take Sunday out of there. Afternoon session suits me. And let's set a stand down period. So that's the period after the mating. Let's go 48 hours. So that'll draft the animal for reapply 48 hours after the mating. Once we've set that up, remember to hit save. Now if we go menu, heat, up in the top right corner you can see reapply. These are the animals that are due to reapply. These will draft right as we've set up. And these tick boxes here are just to act as a reminder to tell you you've done that animal as you work your way through this list.